Hey, everyone, what's up? It's Bro here. Alrighty then. Welcome. We are going to be doing some programming as soon as I switch to this here. And that was the thing that we just now seen. Yeah, I guess we'll use the bin slash project. It'll be kind of fun. Bring my chat back up. Yeah, I hope everyone's doing good. But I am actually going to take a break from shader programming. I think I'm just going to be focusing like directly on tutorials. So like whenever anyone shows up, I guess I'll do the do a request thing. So until then, I guess I'll work on shaders. But okay. This is like a very basic Game Boy shader here. Very easy to do. You just like a 4-tone shade. Hey, Airless, what up? I'm glad you're here. I'm actually gonna start doing a tutorial thing now. In the form of making the bin slash hack game. It's gonna be pretty cool. So this should give us like a 3-tone, right? 1, 2, 3, yeah. So a 3-tone will do us what? Does that also give us a 4? It does. 1, 2, 3, 4, sure enough. I'd have started setting sooner, but you started streaming right when the food was out. Oh, I got you. No, you're good. You're good. I didn't think you'd be up right now. Well, I guess, yeah. No, that makes sense, because you would be getting off work right about now, right? What does a 1.5 do for us? Yeah, I hope you had a good day at work. Okay, 1.5 still gives us a 3 shade. So what I'm going to try and do here is, like with the 2-tone, going to be applying a bit of a dither pattern. So we're going to say vec4 next equals, I need to apply some things here. So we're going to say update this dot uniforms dot this dot filter dot uniforms dot width equals graphics dot width height, or no, that's the wrong yeah, that needs to be on the thing, doesn't it? Maybe I will also have. Yeah, okay. And then this dot compiled shaders equals that. And then the load shader thing will also push itself. So we'll do this dot compiled shaders dot push. Hold on, maybe not right here then. Yeah, right here then. This dot compile shaders dot push filter. And then looking forward to some learning. Heck yeah. Hang on, one sec. Did you call me? Alright, I'll be right back. Just one more minute, Airless. I need some coffee. And it's almost done. Yeah. Got my coffee. Now I gotta pee like a pregnant Russian racehorse on steroids. Finally. Alright. Now we can start the stream. Thank you, Earless. Yeah, I had a good day today. So far, it's been a pretty good day. I woke up and gamed with a friend of mine. Me and her played for a few hours. We were playing Kingdom Hearts. Yeah, it was fun. What was I doing? Oh, yeah, okay. So we're going to make a thing to constantly... Yeah. Ooh, I got a much more optimized idea. Since we gotta call the update function like from the other scenes update functions, like we can tell it what filters to update. Update, filter, uniforms. Yeah, we'll just call it that. Long name, but eh. Oh, it's so good. That game is amazing. We've been like doing like a co-op thing on Twitch. Oh, let me send you her Twitch channel real quick. If you want to go check her out. She's really cool. Yeah, this would work like that. And then we do filters.uniforms.h random. I'm going to call these h width and h height as well. HW. Yeah. Yeah, let's do that way. R H W. That way it doesn't like interfere with anything. That would be maths.pi. And then pi2 would be math.pi. Okay, let's do it this way. Const pi equals math.pi. Const pi2 equals math.pi divided by 2. Const pi 2x equals math.pi times 2. Const pi, you know what, that's fine. Just pi, pi2, and pi x. Pi 2x. Basically what we're doing is setting it so that we don't have to like manually type the digits of pi in GLSL and stuff like that. Pi 2x. Okay. So now we can do uniform float HW width, uniform float HW height. So, alright, first tutorial starts here. What we're going to be doing is dithering. And how we're going to achieve that is we're going to read the next pixel over by doing, like, normally, like, GLSL can't exactly know, like, how can I say this? It can't really know what other pixel values are. So, but what we can do is read from the texture that we're doing this with. One of those tricks that you could do is to grab the main render after, and then you can like read it on the second pass, but that's, yeah. But with a single pass, what we can do is make a 2 vector for the coordinates, .x plus, and this is going to be the pixel right next to it. It should be just, yeah, 1 point divided by HW width. And that'll read the next pixel over. And to read the previous one, you just do minus. So, next X, next Y. And for the Y, instead of width, just do height. And we're gonna do previous X and previous Y. And how we're gonna like compare all of this is we're gonna say float O main equals, well, we already have that. It's the overall. Just gonna do that real quick. And now we're gonna do. Let's do it based on a 4. Or that would be a 3 because technically it's already like rounded. Let's seal it just to make sure. Hold on, let's see what this does for us. Is seal an option in this? Reading push of undefined. Oh yeah, because I can get rid of that now because we didn't. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So that gives us a nice 3-tone thing. So if we seal that, then it should be exactly as we defined. So this should give us 4. 1, or is it? No, flooring. Can't remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it still? Oh yeah, it's still -1. I'm stupid. Because 0 counts. So 3 would be a 4-tone. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that, however, doesn't give me the details that I want. So we will go with 8 tones of gray. Is that 8? Yeah, that should be fine. The reason we want to do that is because we want like nearest matching. So I'm just gonna call this ONY for overall next X and Y, ONX, ONY. Float PVX equals, you know, for like the previous and stuff like that. Yeah, it should be good. Alright, so once we have that, we're going to compare. So we're going to say, how can we say this? Yes, here we go. Alright, so we'll say if ONX is not equal to overall, or ONY is not equal to overall, or PVX is not equal to overall. Yeah, it should be good. Or PVY is not equal to overall. Then we're gonna do what is it? Yeah, color times equals color, just to kind of multiply itself. And then we're gonna say overall equals floor lumens color. And then that should give us what are we talking about? Okay, where did I go wrong with it? Flute. Alright, freaking it. And then yeah, so now we can do round for this actually. So we could say minus equals 0.5 to see if that works any better. Oh, come on. Alright, let's just try on the X one then for now. Okay, so what does that do for us here then? Kind of what I thought it would, except... Wait. Oh, these all need to be and, not ors. The world's glitching. Yes, it is. Alright, let me try only on the X and Y first then. That's not doing what maybe we need a... Yeah, duh. Oh, that should be overall times 2 and then overall. Oh, 2 points. There we go. That's the pattern I was looking for. So now I think this can be or. And we want to wrap these. You know what? I think I'll just start with actually doing a tutorial instead of just coding and then calling it a dang tutorial. Yeah, I think we'll do that. That'd be fun. Yeah, so there's the dithering that we were looking for. So now we can do that, and then this. And it dithers it so you can at least see more about the details and stuff. But anyway, we're going to actually start with a real tutorial. So, did you make her MZ? Apparently Steam's updating. And yeah, we're gonna end up making the entire game, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. Okay. Wonder if I can actually also like record this so that I can like I don't have to like splice it and stuff. Ah, okay. So it'll be in my friends folder. Super early, you know it. Yeah. It always updates when you don't want it to. Right? Thankfully, it's not as bad as Windows, though. Alright, so, first tutorial. We'll start as soon as I click record. Okay, so, first tutorial starts now, and that is we are going to be making a little window pop up. Question is, yeah, this is a highlight from the stream, so hello world. Question is, like, what kind of menu do I want to make? Probably should have thought of that, like, before actually starting. I guess I'll just show how to make a choice window. Here we go. Yeah, we'll do that. cmd, I'll just brand it as tup world choice.js. So we're going to start off with a JS doc creating thing here, and then we're just gonna type / and asterisk again, but with a colon. This is how RPG Maker will parse the data that we're about to put. So we're gonna say author. I'm just gonna put the Emperor Pro. You can put your name or anything else. And plugin desk will be the description of the plugin. IRA plugin of choices. And let's give it something real. Allows dynamic multiple choices in multiple formats. I think my little ferret's coming in. No, I guess not. Anyway. So, the help section is where you would put the text here. Hold on, let me show you. TUP World Choice. That's where you would put all the help stuff here. This, I don't know what the heck that is. I've never been able to like fill it in. I don't know why or what it is, but other things seem to use it, so we can probably debo from that. That was my own filter. Yeah, I have no idea what that is. Right there. Now, oh, it's a URL? Wait, seriously? That's really cool. I never knew about that. I was wondering what the heck it was. I just never really cared to... Yeah, don't do that. Yeah, I just never... Oh, that's interesting. Thank you, Airless. I'm here doing a tutorial and I don't even know the dang engine very well. Alright. So yeah, so you can make some params, and how we're going to do that is... Well, we don't need params for this one, so I'm just going to leave that out for another one. We're going to make an IIFE, which is an immediately invoked function execution to protect our variable names and to reuse some that may or may not already exist. Fat cat equals cat smiley. So for example, if you have this, if you do this, yeah, you can rewrite this one, but if you can actually redefine your own fat cat meant for all the stuff that's in between the IIFE. And that's why we do IIFEs. It's so we can not only protect our variables and function names and all that stuff, but also make it a lot harder to edit, and also even beyond that, well, I don't know, but gonna have to watch this later. Work calls. Alrighty, bye shipmate. Good luck at work. Alright, so let's I was going to do it based on a plugin command, but I think we're going to use the script tag. And, yeah, I just think it'd be... Well, let me take a look first. Not a lot of people make good use of the script tag. Let's see, plugin name. Let's see, yeah, because you would have a command list here, and then you would have your choices. Yeah, I think it's better to just do this, and then, like, we could say, yeah, okay, let's do that. So let's do new TUP choice list. Then again, I wonder if we can actually make it even easier. Like, go to the comment section here. Choices. let's say C equals for the choice name. Or no, we can just do it like that. Yeah, just do like new lines. Oh, you can only do that many lines? Alright then, going back to script. Alright, so we can do HW. What do I want to call it, the function? TP choice list. Yeah, we'll just do it off that, like based off of a variable. Choice list equals. Yeah, and then you can just do I am a choice. I am another choice. Hey, cool. So am I. Me too. Dope, man. Yep-o. And then we can say yeah, so we'll do create choices like that. I mean, it's a little strange, but I mean, let's be honest, like, it's better than, maybe it's not better than plugin commands, honestly. Alright, we'll do that. I was hoping to avoid it because, like, I didn't want to get into plugin commands because I forgot how they work, but oh. Never mind, it's easy. I'm stupid. That command set and then the yards, okay. Okay, so then that command will be choice, yeah, choices, and then yeah, and it's like okay, let's see if it worked. Hey, it did. And then to read the things, yeah, okay. Well, that's pretty awesome. Yo, this is gonna be a pretty cool plugin. Cause watch this, I have another idea. Let me save that. Well, not new, but I mean in addition to that, so we can do so like you can make like a your own little multi left right, that kind of thing, like item window. Aw, hold on. There, I had to copy that so I can, because when I rename it, it's gonna. Right. So max columns. We'll say like 2. Yeah. And then our position. And this will be a struct. That is how you do structs, right? I think. So it should be... Yeah, and then underneath that, we should be able to do struct when position. Let me verify that, because I know that's not what I wanted to do. Well, only one way to find out, really. Oh, sure enough. Nice. So we can do command, wait, param x text x position. Nah, let's just use a yeah. So offset. Will that work as well? Oh, come on. Ooh, it's lagging so hard. What's going on? Okay, yeah, that does work still. Nice. Now we can do param, init, position, and then this will be choice. Wait. It should be. What was the I'll just look it up. Region maker param types. I keep forgetting the thing. I'm pretty sure it's list, but hold on. There's a somebody here we go. We got type, note. Okay, we got text, note, number, file. And we have like the require thing for whenever you need to. Select, that's what it was. Okay. That option, top left, top middle, top right, mid left, mid center, mid right, we will do lower left, lower middle. This is gonna be sweet. And then lower right. All right, I can't wait for this. Okay. We'll just copy that. Default mid center. Default 0. We need to set some defaults here as well. Default 1. Description. Yeah, there we go. And we're gonna have TUP choice. Wait. TUP last. I want to have a good name for it. WC equals that. And we'll say last choice 0. Alright, so now we'll be able to determine which choice was made in using a conditional branch. And divide that by the circumference of a hooker. Why is it lagging so horribly right now? Oh my gosh, we're gonna be here a while, fellas. So we're gonna do scripts. So wc.lastChoice is equal to 1. Or yeah, so we'll say 0. So like 0 is your first choice. Okay, something is really stanky right now. Restart NZ. Nice search engine. KDE start menu. Yeah, my CPU usage is fine, didn't it? Yeah, 5.3%, so it's not that. Anyway, if last choice is 0, then yeah, we can say you selected item 1. Alright, so that's just a little base. Oh, dang it, I forgot a graphic. Give him this dude. Alright, now we're actually gonna make it all pop up. Oops. Okay, plugin, manager. Wait, I'm just gonna copy that part real quick. Okay, const plugin name equals tup world choice.js, or not .js. Does it need to be .js? No. Okay. Oh. And the command was choices. Okay, there we go. So now we will do console.log. Let's do args so we can actually see the arguments that's going through. I'm so argumentative. Not really though. My eyes are filled with pain. Alright, so here we go. We have our list. Okay. Const list equals. Ooh, hold on. We can do all of that. Yeah. List, choices, position, or columns. Equals json.parse. Parts. Console.log list, columns, position. I think we're gonna have to go through the position and parse those datas as well, which that's not a problem. Equals args. Okay, which ones do I not need to parse? Okay. Alright, so we got those two, and then that. List equals json.parse. List. Columns equals json.parse. Columns. You know what? We'll just do parse int columns. And these should be ready. Yeah. And then now we just need to do. Yeah, because I don't think, yeah, it wouldn't have parsed like the other way around before. And then we're gonna do dot map a JSON dot parse a. Now it should be all the values that we need. Oh. Oh, you know what? Yeah. For let I in position I equals JSON dot parse position I actually have like a fast parsing thing. I should probably borrow that, or just, we don't need to write another one right now though. Okay. Okay. If on. Yeah, we need the try catch for this. No, not really. Let's just do it this way, manually. I mean, we only have like a couple, so it's not like we need to. Okay, position dot x equals JSON to parse position dot x and then dot y. So for anyone who named their params other names, you can do position name here. If you named it with anything with like a space or any other illegal character, you can't really. Yeah, so that'll do that for you. Once we have these, yep, there we go. All right, init position. Was it option, maybe? Hold on. Oh, yeah, duh. All right, so this is gonna be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Duh. Never mind, I guess we don't need to change that. That's interesting. And then we'll just base it off of, yeah, so let's give them values. So value TL, value TR or TM for top middle, value TR. So we're just gonna give them small aliases. MLG, welcome back. Valusi. There you have it. Value E. All right. MC for center. MR for right. So LL, LC, or LM, and then LR, and then the one right here will be MC. I think we just keep it like that. So yeah, we're good. I think. Okay, so we do need to change it to let's see. Well, it just looks better if we don't do the aliases though, doesn't it? Yeah, screw it. Mid-center it is. Okay. So now we're gonna make the window class. Like normal, I would like to do a little bit of stylizing here with the comments. class window HW CMD extends window command. Initialize. What's up? Cat got it in anyways, huh? Every time you don't want a cat to get into something is when it gets into something. Anyway, initialize X, Y. They know you don't want it. Yep. Dude, they do. They do. Airless, don't let them fool you. They know. They are aware. Trust. They do it out of spite. Like, they'll get bored and they'll be like, huh, you know what? I'm going to make my owner's life miserable now. Rude creatures, dude. Super dumb. X, Y. The heck is a knit position from? Okay, yeah, prepare command list. And we'll say list.map item. We'll say this.add command. Oops. Or no, yeah. Yeah. Well, heck, we don't even need to do it that way, really. This.create command list. We'll say prepare, yeah, so we'll do X, Y, width, height, list. Window command should have its own like command width. Item rect equals cursor width is what it is, I think. Hold on, maybe not. Row spacing item width. Ah, it's literally just this item width. This dot width equals this dot item width times this dot calls max calls, yeah. This dot columns, X, Y, width, height equals function, return. We can actually simplify this. Calls. Yeah. Do that, and then this dot x equals x, this dot y equals y. Let's do position actually as well. So we'll do switch position. Case top left break, and we're gonna do this for all of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Luckily though, we can just do this with VS Code here. Select. You can hold Alt to select multiple doohickey thingy-majigs, and hold Shift and then press End to select the following after that. So I'm gonna speed things up a bit here by doing everything. I'm gonna do like a little trick here to fix the line spacing. Hold shift and enter, by the way, if you want to do a new line like that. Control shift I, because I have a formatter, will do this. And if you want a formatter, the one that I use is the right here, wait, which one do I use then? Oh, I guess it's automatic now. Look how cute and asleep I am. Lies. Oh, and if they ever invite you to pet their belly, don't. It is a death trap. Okay, I'm going to copy these here and apply it to the mid. And then for the Y, we'll just do so that's going to center the things. So then we're just going to do that again. Except this time we'll do graphics.height minus this.height. Alright, so we'll say plus and minus equals. So plus equals X and Y, so whatever offset that you apply, and that should position it properly. And then we're setting the width, and then it should be this dot list dot length divided by this dot max calls. Oh, okay, yeah, so we should do this would have to be this dot line height times this length and whatever max calls. And this should be math.ceil. That I'm not too confident on working. So we'll say list, if not this.list, return this.list.map. Sorry, I had to take a drink of my coffee. Didn't I have a Mountain Dew as well? What did I do with it? Found it. Mine are okay with it. One I taught to enjoy belly rubs from a young age. The other just grabs my hand and moves it to her head. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. commands. New win equals new window HWCMD. Let's do like 00 for now. And then new win dot prepare. Columns. Here we go. Moment of truth. Position. Dot init position. Position dot x. Position dot y. We're gonna remove width and height. We don't need that. And then list. Scene manager dot scene dot add a window. Or that won't work. Add child. New win. Okay, let's try it. Please work. Oh, argument must be a rectangle. Oh, yeah, duh. Get rid of the. Okay, it's working, but the height. Okay, the commands don't seem to be working though. Redraw. Draw all items, I think it is. Yeah. Why is it not showing up though? I think it's the width and height thing. So let me get rid of that real quick. Huh? Oh, it needs to be done before that, duh. And I think the calls isn't working right now as well. So this, we'll have to do this the slower way. The window itself doesn't seem to be drawing. So is it a height issue, like a width and height issue? Because it... Okay, which one is it though? Well, we know that part's working. This is a problem. Ah, so it's the width. So the height was working. Oh. That's not at all what we were looking for here. Math floor inner width divided by max calls. Oh. Yeah, that's always going to be a 0 because like it's not set yet. Window command prototype.window width. Max choice width. What is that? Call spacing. Should be call spacing, right? Yeah. Or call width, yeah. Item width is. Dang it! Why is this so difficult? Right. And the item line rec. All right, so we basically have to kind of define it ourselves because there is no like one size fits all thing. So we'll do command width, return 192. All right, so now we need to do oh, you know what? We can do this. Scene manager dot scene dot fitting height. I think that'll work. It should. That's what I thought. Fitting height's not a function. Oh, the window itself has its own fitting height. Oh. There we go. Now we just need to figure out why the items aren't drawing. Call refresh like after, I guess? No. So draw all items. Right, create command list. That'll be in scenes, I believe, right? Or objects, managers, core. What? Excuse me? What? How was that adding 6 items to begin with? Oh, because the list. Yeah. So we need to, yeah, that was already a variable. Huh. Oh. So we still need the draw all items thing. Dang it, I did that again. We'll get there eventually. Oh, this is back on this dot list again. There we go. Now it should be all fine. Why is it not all fine? What's happening with it? Like, why is it not doing anything now? It's gonna return an error. I think, yeah. At least the positioning of the windows working. Yeah, it's adding them, but it's not drawing on them. It's not redrawing them. Is it just not adding like a text thing? It could be that it's adding it, but it's not. What? Do we need to call refresh a second time after that? Because that's a bit on the, no, because refresh itself does that. Huh. Get rid of that then. Why? What is actually happening right now, dude? Okay, let's not call refresh at all. Okay, yeah, okay, that's fine. But that's what friggin'... Ah, okay. Why? Why is it not doing it? I don't get it. It's right here. It's showing up. It really shouldn't be, but I guess they have like this weird thing where it calls before. Okay, where's it call at? Apparently nothing calls it except itself in the refresh thing. So It's in the initialize. He's only using it. Well, like, we're okay, so we're able to add the items that we're looking for, but they don't draw. Like, the info is there, like all the text is there and stuff, but they refuse to draw, and that's because it's for some unknown mysterious reason. Even after like manually calling the paint command, they don't seem to show up. They're just like empty commands. It's because like we changed the width and height. Clear commands list. So now it's underscore list again. What? I'm dumb. I think I just figured it out. No. Is the text on alpha depth and set properly? It should be. Like all we're doing is like pushing the command here. Yeah, because so the add command adds that symbol enabled and the extension. Yeah, this doesn't seem to be doing anything, and I don't know why. It should be painting, but it's not painting. Activate. It makes absolutely no sense. Like, the Windows selectable subclass. Refresh cursor for all, maybe? Yeah, see, the .paint function. Well, that's the weird part. So watch this. If we were to just like manually add the commands, so we were to say, like if I were to add it here, okay, 1, 2, get rid of the refresh thing. Oh, reading length of undefined. How? Because it needs to. What are you talking about? Because it is predefined. Window command max items. Okay. Yeah, we're not redefining the list. Oh, because the refresh. Yeah. Let me get rid of that as well, because it already does call. It shouldn't be calling refresh. Excuse me? It 100% should not be calling refresh. Oh, I am the dumb. No, because that doesn't do anything either. So Windows scrollable and prototype. Which calls window base prototype, which obviously doesn't call a refresh on its own. Maybe instead of the thing, we'll do like this dot move, and then maybe for the x and y and width and height there. So 0, 0, and then width, and then the height here. Like maybe for some reason, like changing its width and height manually will kind of mess it up. Okay, we're still running into that issue, so we'll just uncomment all that. Try that again. That's what I mean. Like it is weird how it works. See, like all 6 items are here, right? They get added. But if you were to like resize the thing, so let me get rid of the move thing and just like get rid of that entirely. And yeah, we can keep it like that. It's fine. Now it doesn't have its own. Oh, what if? Do you need to set it like that first? You need to define it ahead of time. So if you resize it, it doesn't repaint. I get that because it clears it. Huh? Okay, so I had to initialize the window with a width and height that is bigger than the amount of items. Otherwise, when it redraws, it still tries to... It's not that... Yeah, it's weird. It's not that it's, like, difficult. It's just more along the lines of why. And especially when it comes to the battle system. Oh, dear God. Good luck with that. Alright, so now we need to... it's not that it's bad, though. It's just, like, so different, and it bounces all over the place with a bunch of different function calls, and which makes sense to a degree, but at the same time, like, you know... It is ancient. For example, I'm using ES6 style classes here, but they ended up using, like, prototype system, like the old prototype style to define classes and class items. It's ES5, I think, or like it's definitely pre ES6. You would think, right? Watch this. Oh, where is it? Should be here somewhere. Not there. Am I tripping? No, I guess I'm tripping. Yeah, it's like ES5. A skill equip for MZ? Morning! Yeah, like, what do you mean, skill equip? Equals class, extends, scene, map. Actually, no, this would be... Gain troop is event running. Where would this be at? Objects. Yeah. Okay. And then we can do scene manager dot scene dot UN. Yeah, why not? Let's actually properly name it real quick first. Can do, what should we call it? MC window, multiple choice window equals UN. Replace the term UN. Oops, with MC window. Okay, and then in the thing, so we can pause it while you wait. Octopath Traveler, you learn skills for a board system, and have slots and throw them regarding their slot. I got you. So like passive stat enhancement skills and stuff like that. Or no, yeah, dude, I remember I remember how they had that a little bit. I haven't played it in like forever, but the game's amazing. this dot MC window dot active. All right, so now it should halt the rest of the event process, but it doesn't. Why? Huh? Okay, well, let's modify the interpreter then. New game interpreter. Okay, then. Bye, Airless. You have a good night. Thanks for coming by. Yeah, it might be able to be done. What? Oh. Nemo. I guess we'll check it out, like, before... No, we'll just say it like that. Reading 10. What? 10 of what? Okay. Wait, and. It needs to be and, not or. That's why it didn't work in the dang first place. Very clearly, I am tired. So yeah, Renkai, if you want, we can try that. Well, I guess that kind of works there. Ability system? Yeah, kind of like in Final Fantasy VII, right? Where you can equip cores in your items. Oh, that's okay. I actually been learning Japanese, so I might be able to read it without having to translate. What's it called? Ability system. And it's for MZ. Let's do RPG Maker. Oh, it has an English version apparently. Yeah, it has a English version. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that's the next step. Is to disable that. So that's pretty easy to do. We can. There's a where is it? Sprites. Actor.canMove. Should be okay. So it should be an object. Sorry. GamePlayer.canMove. That'll be all that we need, really. Alright, so we're going to quickly do this. GamePlayer equals class extends GamePlayer canMove, and then we will should be able to do return super.canMove. So if that's true and scene should work right away like that. Yep, there we go. Alright, so now we're going to finally add the we can just do it like this, right? Like from up here. Yeah. MC window dot set handler. I'm just gonna give it some kind of arbitrary. Okay, it's A. I already had it. Okay. So I want to poke back with shaders again, though. Shaders are fun. Anyway. Yeah, we're almost done with this little plugin tutorial thing here, and then I'll probably move to something a little bit more advanced. Okay. I'm just going to do that, and then we can do wc.lastChoice equals mcwindow.index. And then wc.close wc. Oh yeah, and then scene manager.scene.mc window active equals false. So we can move and the event can continue. All right. Bye, Nemo. Thank you for stopping by. Oh, what am I doing? There we go. But it should continue the event, so I don't know why it's not. Maybe the game interpreter part. No, still doing that. I think I gotta separate it like that because of the double exclamation mark thing. No, it's still not working. Why? This is mildly infuriating. Man. So this is gonna have to be modified here. Okay. Game event equals class extends aim event. Should be not just update parallel. Locate. Yeah, it shouldn't be update parallel. Check event trigger auto. Why is it such a strange thing to do? Event ID, there it is. All right. Set up list event ID. Okay. Okay, I see what's going on. Because if it's not running, it sets some kind of flag. Game interpreter to update while this is running. Check freeze. No. That's the culprit. I'm gonna copy and paste that. No. This is gonna end in disaster, but I gotta see how it works. Literally like nothing. Yeah, what the crap, man? Okay, so I need to find out why this isn't working. Console.log scene manager.cmd window active. Yeah, so it's false now. So why does it stop the event? Okay, so is busy in the game messages. Ah, okay. Got it. Now the game interpreter should be able to continue. Yeah, dude! Man. Okay, so now we can finally finish this tutorial vid. Alright, so now we can say... I'm just gonna copy and paste these. If it stops lagging on me, that would be fantastic. Yeah. Alright, I'm not gonna edit all these, but yeah, so like let's say if you chose option 6, or it'd be 5 because technically 0 counts. And then I'll clean this up and then I'll like upload it so people can download it. Yeah, you can have like a bunch of different like infinite choices basically. This is gonna be a disaster right here though. Uh-oh. That is really cool. I like that a lot. But yeah, that's it for the tutorial. Thanks for watching. And I think I'm also going to end the stream. I'm like really tired actually. But before I do, I want to take a look at the skill things you were talking about. Should be in objects, I think. Be in core. Or managers, wouldn't it? Data skills, yeah. Yeah, I can actually make something like that. Let me open my door and I'll try it real quick. Actually, F that. I'm way too tired. I'll do it next time, though. So, Ranky, I may be streaming later this afternoon. And if I do, come by. And I will do the skill equip thing. Or tomorrow, like whenever it is that I stream again. It'll either be this afternoon or tomorrow. And then, yeah, we'll do the thing. Alright. Thank you, everybody, for joining. Bye.